All right, part two of the plan. I put garbage bags over that window by the laundry and a garbage bag from the inside. And now we're gonna black out the sun, black out the windows, so the only place to go is this big, beautiful garage. She might have even flown out already. I gotta go inside and check on him, but that window's pretty blacked out. Okay, I'll give him about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna sneak up on him in his favorite spot, but not without my handy dandy rake. Daddy's handy dandy rake comes with him everywhere he goes. Okay, here we go. Out to the front. Here we go. And let's see if that birdie can now see the great outside. Let's see if what Harper thinks of the bird, huh? Okay. Harper! Are you gonna help? No, Harper doesn't like catching birds. I still see some sunlight coming through the doorway here, but maybe he can feel the wind and the air. The air feels so good today. It's kind of cold and crisp, you know? Let's see. Okay, I don't hear flapping or tweeting, but he just might be really, really scared. I mean, there's a lot of light coming through there. That's all natural light in there. Well, I know where he likes to go. He likes to go on the laundry. He's not there. Is he here? That's a tag. I hope my new glasses are working, huh? I mean, I don't see him right there. He might still be scared somewhere. He might have flown out. Okay, let's check. Let's go quietly in here. Okay. Let's see. I think he's good. I'm not too scared of him. He's more scared of me than I am of him. But look, I have a little ladder here. Just, I don't want Harper to open the door to the house. That wouldn't be good. Bird in the laundry room isn't too big a deal, but bird in the house, that's tough. Okay, let's see. I think he's gone. I think he flew away. Did he? I don't know. Let's see. Bird in the sink. Bird bath. I mean, I don't see him anywhere. Alright, I'm gonna assume that he's gone. But I'm gonna close this off. And I'll check back in a little bit.